Hello, I'm Tony Golding with Centrify, and I'd like to talk about Centrify local account provisioning. In addition to managing Active Directory user access and privileges on Unix and Linux systems, Centrify also provides local account lifecycle management capabilities to the Centrify zone structure. Within this zone structure, we've added a local users and local groups capability, where you can define local accounts to be automatically provisioned to the computers within the zone. In this example, we're creating a Nagios service account and defining its Unix profile, and then we're setting its state to enabled. We can also automatically add a Centrify role assignment, making this account visible to all computers that are members of this zone, so that later any new computer added to the zone will automatically be provisioned with this local account. Centrify can also manage local groups centrally within the same zone structure, enabling both the creation of the new local group as well as the central management of its members. In this example, we'll define the properties for the existing wheel group so that we can take over managing its membership centrally instead of locally on each system. In this example, I can ensure that root and newly defined service accounts are the only members of the wheel group. Local accounts can be defined at the zone level, meaning any computer within the zone can have the local account automatically deployed. However, we can also be more selective within the zone. For example, creating an Oracle local service account and only provisioning this service account to the computers in the zone that are Oracle database servers. We can do this by assigning the local listed role at the computer role level instead of globally at the zone level. Here, we'll create that local service account for an Oracle database within the Finance Child zone. Note this time we disable the local listed right to ensure that it's not visible within the entire zone, so we can instead apply it selectively to the computer role called Fin Database. So I'll add a new role assignment to this computer role. I'll select the local listed role and I'll assign it to the new Oracle local service account that I just created. This means that our Oracle service account will only be created on computers that are members of the Fin Database computer role and not to every computer in the finance zone. Once local accounts are defined in this way, the Centrify client on each machine will create that local account and update entries in the local password database. It will do likewise for any local groups created within Centrify, and it will update the group membership accordingly. The Centrify client on the local system can also be configured to automatically add new local accounts to the Centrify Privileged Access service so that their passwords can be secured, automatically rotated, and its access managed from within the Centrify vault. Administrators can then log into the vault interactively and either check out the password for emergency break glass access or initiate a remote login session without the password being revealed. MFA and workflow-based request and approval can also be enabled to better assure the identity of the user. Programmatically, to support application-to-application password management, these local account passwords can also be checked out from code or scripts via an API call to the Centrify Vault. Plain text credentials embedded in code represent a common means for attackers to obtain privileged credentials. So there we have it. If you must use local accounts on Unix and Linux systems, you can centrally manage their lifecycle and their use, leveraging the same zone-based model you're already familiar with.